DoorDash has just unveiled Dot, its first commercial autonomous delivery robot. At about 4.5 feet tall and 1/10 size of a car, Dot is built for quick, local trips carrying up to 30 pounds. That's 6 pizzas or a week's worth of late-night snacks. Unlike many robots that stick to sidewalks, Dot can navigate bike lanes, roads, sidewalks, and even driveways. It can reach 20 miles per hour, meaning your burrito arrives hot instead of lukewarm. The idea is simple. You don't always need a full-size car to deliver toothpaste, diapers, or dinner. DoorDash designed Dot to be reliable, efficient, and smart enough to choose the best routes, based on billions of deliveries already on its platform. So what does it mean for you? Faster, more reliable deliveries without extra fees, less congestion on local roads, and more opportunities for local restaurants to deliver to your door. And because it's electric, Dot helps cut emissions too. The first deployments are happening in Tempe and Mesa, Arizona, before rolling out to more US cities. With 8 cameras, 3 lidar sensors, 4 radar units, and a modular design for different cargo types, Dot is engineered to handle real-world challenges like busy parking lots, low-light streets, and even the occasional off-leash dog. In short, Dot could be the future of your neighborhood delivery. Smaller, faster, and built to keep your food fresh. If you're in Arizona, watch for Dot rolling up your driveway. For everyone else, stay tuned because this little robot may soon be bringing your next meal. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, head over to RoboPhil.com to join the waiting list for the workshops we'll be running or to speak with the team directly about robotics. Don't forget to subscribe to the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.